Hey everybody, Mr. Egan here, and if you're watching this video, you've clicked on the guide video link where we're going to be discussing how you're going to be completing today's Mystery Cube investigation, along with tackling the 5 things you see in the directions here that are going to help through the next set of tasks. So when we look at this slide here, the first thing it says that we're going to be doing is recording what you see and think in the cube observation section. So we're going to be going through that along with how to create a missing side design when you think you know what the missing side is. And then, as always, continuing on to completing the design reasoning table to explain how you figured it out. And then you're going to be completing these steps for both mystery cubes and submitting this slideshow. So we're going to go through all these 5 things, where to find them, what they look like, and how to complete them. So let's go ahead and take a look. So when I go here to my very first task in today's slideshow, you notice I have this cube and it's rotating. And as it rotates, you can see all the sides except for the bottom. And your job is to make observations about the sides that you can see and, well, try to figure out, well, what's going on with the cube? What features do I see? And to put those observations and what you think is going on in this section here. So you'll double click in here, you'll go into this section, you'll type your cube observation. So what do you see in and on all the different sides? What things are with one another? What features are paired with one another, and so on. And as you go through here and as you make observations, you should hopefully be thinking about what patterns you see that all the sides have and what relationships do they have in order to then figure out what does the side on the bottom look like. When you've made enough observations and when you've collected enough data, you're then going to go to the next task, in this case, task 2. And you notice you'll have a missing side design. And here you're going to be recreating what you think the bottom of the box looks like. So you're going to use all your observations, use everything you wrote down in here, whatever you're thinking, and you're going to make it in here using whatever you need, whether it's the features of the Google slide or if you need a Google images, whatever it may be, recreate what you think it looks like. And then you're going to be answering the questions here to explain what you're thinking and why. And you'll repeat this set of steps for the next one. So once you've done and completed this, then there'll be another box that you'll do, mystery box number 2. Notice it's rotating, same idea. You'll make observations about what you think's going on inside what's on all the different sides of the cubes faces. Once you think you've made enough observations, once you think you have figured it out, you'll then go to this section, task 4. You'll recreate the bottom of the cube, answer questions about what you did and why, and then you're pretty much done with the assignment. You'll go to the next slide where it says assignment submission. You'll double check that you have all of the tasks done from today's activity. You'll click the submit button, and then you'll go into the Google form in order to turn in your slideshow. Make sure you follow all the tasks, watch all the videos, put all the important information before hitting submit, and then you're done. And that's how you complete today's activity. So, to recap, you record what you see with each of the mystery cubes in the observation section. You'll create the missing side in that box. You'll complete the design reasoning table to explain how you figured out what the bottom looks like. You'll complete that for both cubes and turn it in. And as always, if you have questions, reach out to me. Otherwise, good luck.